Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Cruxweld Industrial Equipments Private Limited proudly presents DynaCut ProX, a compact, economical and flexible Oxy-Fuel plasma CNC cutting system, engineered to meet the evolving needs of modern fabrication industries. Designed with advanced CNC technology, DynaCut ProX delivers high precision cutting with exceptional accuracy, reliability and efficiency. Whether you are involved in heavy fabrication, structural steel manufacturing, engineering projects, or general metal processing, DynaCut ProX offers the performance you need to stay competitive in today's demanding market. Its compact and space-saving design makes installation easy, even in workshops with limited floor space, built with a robust structure and high-quality components. The machine ensures stable operation and long service life under demanding industrial conditions. One of the key advantages of DynaCut ProX is its dual cutting capability. Supporting both Oxy-Fuel and plasma cutting processes, this system provides unmatched flexibility for a wide range of applications. Oxy-Fuel cutting is ideal for thicker plates, while plasma cutting delivers fast, clean and accurate cuts on thinner materials. From simple straight line cutting to complex profiles and intricate shapes, DynaCut ProX consistently delivers smooth edges, precise dimensions, and superior cut quality. This helps reduce material wastage, minimize the work, and improve overall production efficiency. The user-friendly CNC control system simplifies machine operation, allowing operators to quickly create, edit, and execute cutting programs with ease. Its intuitive interface reduces setup time and helps achieve faster production cycles while maintaining consistent quality standards. DynaCut ProX is an ideal solution for fabrication shops, engineering industries, structural steel manufacturers, machinery builders, maintenance workshops, and industrial production facilities. Its versatility enables business to handle diverse cutting requirements with confidence and efficiency. By combining precision, flexibility, and cost-effective operation, DynaCut ProX helps manufacturers increase productivity while reducing operational costs. It is a smart investment for business seeking reliable CNC cutting performance and long-term value. Experience the perfect combination of innovation, precision, and productivity with the power of advanced CNC cutting technology. DynaCut ProX by Cruxweld Industrial Equipments Private Limited, compact in size, powerful in performance, and built for excellence. Contact us today for product demonstration, technical consultations, and business inquiries. DynaCut ProX, precision that performs, productivity that delivers. For information, you can visit our site www.cruxweld.com. Thank you.